television, everything will be streamed to your eyes, and you will see them in 3 dimension, and volumetrically, via smart glasses, in conjunction and coupled with smartwatch. And that technology requires 3 dimension, it requires depth volumetric technology for it to function well. So we are working on technology in anticipation.
Connection
we'll show you
is a spark that gives our lives meaning.
By Microsoft, and we use Microsoft hardware.
It drives us to seek out others who feel the same way.
And that video gives a good idea about the future I explained just now.
Okay, why don't you input the data and we'll take a look together. Hey Mari, what you got for me?
To find those who share our views, yet offer different perspectives.
Look over here.
Challenge us with new ways of seeing.
But I think we should.
Deepen our understanding. And enrich our lives.
最后一笔的时候，往前。
Great things happen when we commit to something bigger than ourselves.
Take a closer look at it.
Place this here. Let's see how we go from there, okay?
This sense of collaboration and the feelings of connection it brings excites us.
Hey, just in time. I'm gonna move it slightly, okay?
It's yours, take it.
We have 2 planes right now on the same trajectory.
As we put people first, technology fades into the background and feels like anything but.
Aisha, what do you think?
I think if we had 330, maintaining 2800, we'll be clear for approach.
Excellent.
This changes the way we see the world, and in turn, changes the world we see.
These numbers are looking great, actually.
There's promise in the possibilities, and what we see and create next will stretch the imagination.
Good morning, Sarah.
Morning.
Slowly coming towards the thumb.
A world without boundaries.
Good job. A lot better than yesterday.
Yeah.
Excellent. Slowly bring the
A
arm
world
down.
where technology enhances, not limits, humanity. With people front, center, and in the spotlight. The future is here. And here can be anywhere. Introducing Microsoft.
Right, how to explain this in layman terms, and that's what we'll attempt to do now. What you see on the slide is a couple of pictures. First is the real picture, then the essence of the technology is what we call point-based tech, which is essentially a laser scanning objects and creating a point cloud, which is what you will see now. I literally will become a point cloud. That's it. Been scanned. Laser scanned point cloud. We then put a mesh around that point cloud and a clean picture. Essentially, it's a software algorithms that allow a laser scanned objects to create a form that can be recognized. And then obviously a bit of that is to compress that data and ship that data to you so you can enjoy the result. I'll touch base on that a little bit later. There are other things that we can do with this technology, and that is, for example, because it's a laser scanned point-based tech, you can, for example, I can disintegrate into tiny bits and reintegrate again. So it's a lot of opportunity here in all sorts of different fields. And this technology is raw. We haven't fine-tuned it yet, but it gives you a gist of what's coming and how important this is going to be in the future. What is the infrastructure you need to deliver the live stream as we speak to you is what you see on this slide. Essentially, you need hardware and software and artificial intelligence combined. We do not produce hardware. We work with companies that do so, in this particular case Microsoft, but we do develop our own algorithms and codes and software that allow to use that hardware to produce a picture that you see, a live stream that you see. It's very challenging to produce live stream. I believe this is the first live stream of volumetric video that we know of in the world. In that sense, we're actually making a history. And as you can see, it requires a bit of work, but it's already at the stage where it can be said thoroughly that it's on its way to become a reality. That said, other areas that this can be applied, that is pre-recorded videos on demand, movies, videos, and all sorts of short-form, long-form content can be created using this technology. And not least important is social media. There is a bit of social media hype now around short-form videos, but they are all two-dimensional. This particular technology will allow customers to produce their own content in 3-dimension, hopefully using our technology. So broad, wide opportunities here, still untapped. We're still working through, but we are at the beginning of the journey here, so stay tuned, more to come. A bit of roadmap. Really, it's remarkable what we have done last 6 months. The company was founded in October last year, a result of lockdowns, etc., etc. I won't bore you with, you've all been through this. But a team, talented, focused, well-resourced, can do wonders. In 6 months, we're able to stitch up a software and algorithm that allows us to stream today. From now on, we will be producing a lot of content. Some pre-recorded videos, some live streams, so more to come here. In Q3, we're going to launch platforms that are available on all devices, including VR goggles, phones, smartphones, smart TV,